The front sight blade on this crag is loose. It doesn't take much effort at all to remove. To tighten this up, I have the option of modifying the dovetail on the base or on the sight. I'm choosing the sight blade since it's easier to replace if anything were to go wrong. I'll use a punch to upset some metal on the underside. Just one strike is enough. This will push the sight upwards, tighter against the dovetail ways of the sight base. I'll make 3 divots in a row. Then deepen them once more for good measure. Whereas before this was very loose at this point, the result is that the sight blade is tougher to install on the sight base, a sign that it will be held in much better than before. I can be confident that this won't move during recoil or heavy use. Thanks for watching, and follow for more gunsmithing quick tips.